Starting out this video, it's your boy, of course, LS Chevy Rider 254, Lone Star Chevy Rider 254. Getting ready to go to this car show, first car show that we actually gonna enter into. So let's get into it. It's your boy, LS Chevy Rider 254, LS HD 254, all of the above. Get ready to go to this car show. But we're not entering the car show with a car. We taking a bike. I feel like the bike is the closest thing that's ready to potentially win something. We wiped her down this morning. Wipe her down again when we get there. I took out the backrest because it didn't match. And it's like right up the street. No tour pack. None of that. Just straight bike. So they can look and be like, oh, god damn, that bitch sexy. Winner, chicken dinner. Maybe we'll come home with some hardware. I don't know. Like I said, this will be the first time we ever entered a car show, bike show ever. So, got some water. You know what I'm saying? Battery, cameras. You know what I'm saying? The usual suspects to get the content. But yeah, man. Let's see what happens. This within itself is an experience for us. So hope y'all enjoy the journey view, whatever. Go Team 254, Team LS Chevy. Go Team LS Chevy Rider. Go Team LSCR 254. Maybe we bring home some hardware. What y'all think? Registration ends at 1. It's like 12:20. Reason it took so long is I honestly was still on the fence about if we was gonna do it or not, but you know what they say, YOLO. So yeah, like I said, we'll take it up there, enter it, let people look at it, and then see what happens. Off the color alone, shot it bad. Shot it bad, got the chrome shining. All right, let me make sure I got a 0004 on deck. I had one this morning. I don't know where I put it at. It's all good. Oh, there you go. 0004 for the chrome. If you didn't know, now you know. 0004 for the chrome. All right, let's get it. All right, so getting ready to pop out. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you wear a helmet, protection and shit. I am in shorts and shit, which is a first for me, but it's hot as fuck. And I'm not gonna play that being out there all day. Yeah. Texas, you know how Texas do. Give a damn what they say, boy. She a winner already. Already she a winner. So we pulled up to the car bike show, Rabbit Fest. We got entered, so we officially in the running. Got some other nice bikes out here, man, too. Got some sport bikes. So we got a little bit of. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, maybe we'll come out in the top 3. Who knows? At the Rabbit Fest Festival, car show 2024. My first car show I ever entered with a bike. Plot twist. Time is 17:25. They still judging. Shout out to the crew for doing the thing. But yeah, it's been a long day. This guy right here, he was like one of 12 Mustangs. So the 12? Yeah, might not have been 12. Yeah. Yeah, so we're just waiting for the judge to be over, and I'll bring y'all that. I will say this is probably the last car show I'll ever enter. Oh my God, it's hot. It's hot as hell. 90 something, feels like 100 something. We have no AC. We are hiding in the shade. Please send help. Please help. All right, so we made it home from the car show, bike show, and oh look, it's a trophy. So our first time entering into a car show, bike show, placed second, 2024 Rabbit Fest car show, bike show. I will just say that this goes to show that other people can appreciate what you've done to your ride. There can only be, of course, however many place winners that there are for the category for the bikes. It was 3 places: first place, second place, third place. I'm gonna be honest with you. Like, I felt like there were probably a couple bikes that would have definitely kind of scooted mine out of the way. You know what I'm saying? But I guess the judges seen different. A lot of times maybe we can only see the flaws instead of the beauty in it. Now, don't get me red, like sexy shotted red is that girl. However, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I don't know, man. But yeah, brought home, as they say, some hard work. So this is definitely like a motivation, man, to keep doing what we doing. Man, I'm ready for Dolores to get her one. I want Dolores to get her one. For my mama, nigga, I want her to be able to get her one. So, it could very, very, very well be, like I said, we maxing on the gas. We moving forward to get Dolores ready for a car show. Rabbit Fest is coming up. Not Rabbit Fest. Texas Wood Fest is coming up next month in June. I don't know if we're gonna make it, honestly, just cause work. But we damn sure gonna still try. If we do, I'm still trying to get the car all the way together, man, so we can take the car. But like I said, I'm not gonna say it's slim chances. It's just a lot of unknowns and everything like that. But this ain't about the car, you know what I'm saying? But Dolores is up next. But yeah, man, this is motivation. You know what I'm saying? Definitely motivation. As you can see, you know what I'm saying, I took off what I thought to be unaesthetically pleasing. So even though I ride with this or whatever, like when I sold my OC, I didn't want to sell this with it because of the simple fact that to buy another one just in black is $200. So it's like I wasn't even asking a whole bunch for the other one. So I kept that. For functionality, it doesn't matter. For aesthetically, for like a bike show, then yeah, that shit definitely needed to come off. Like I said, wiped everything down real good. Used the McGuire's wash and wax. Works real good. But yeah, man, only the necessities were on the bike. You know what I'm saying? This is what a street glide is, you know what I'm saying? Minus the tour pack, minus the lowers. But like I said, the only reason I put my lowers on was for the music. That's the only reason I added lowers to this bike. Um, but I mean, they complement, and you have the turn signals now and everything like that, man. So I really feel like it's a win. I definitely feel like it's a win. So, you know, yeah, man. Shout out to the guys at Rabbit Fest Car Show. This is the second one that they've had. Definitely will continue to support them in the future. I know last year I wanted to go to LS Fest, Texas, which was also going on was going on today, as well as C10s on the Brazos up in Waco, man. It was just a whole bunch of car shows, et cetera, that was going on today. So it was like, today I just decided to go to the one that was closest to me. So, and when I say close to me, I mean like probably like a mile away. So we went a mile away, got some hardware, and we'll do it again, man. Do it again. But yeah, boom, little baby earned that. Yeah, little baby earned that. But yeah, man, till the next time. Meantime, in between time, appreciate y'all watching the videos. Y'all done seen us had this bike from day one, and moving on up and getting into where it is today, man. So I really do appreciate y'all's support. And we're gonna keep the party going.